If there's one thing you must do after uploading your next video, it is this. I wish I knew it before I got millions of views with videos like this and this. By the way, I'm Jordan, made over $5 million, hired over 50 people, and often get reported on YouTube for taking pictures like this. But let's look at a better picture. Because in this picture, you see that 1 year later I uploaded a new video over here, which made my old video blow up again. So I started digging deeper, and until after hours of research I found this. Now before I show you, it's a post from Todd, and Todd is not just another guy. He's literally the one who leads the YouTube homepage algorithm since 2014. And here is what he tweeted: don't delete videos unless you have a very good reason. When you delete a video, you delete your channel's connection to the audience that watched that video. If you want to maximize your growth, keep your videos public or unlist them if you must. Now his tweet and my own analytics proved to me something so important, which is this: every new upload can blow up an old one. Let me say that again. Every new upload can blow up an old one and even increase click-through rate, as you can see for me, like here. Now this may raise a question in you: how do I upload my next video so that an old one blows up? Well, comment the word trigger below and I will send you 2 big reasons why this video blew up after 300 days that you can replicate in your next videos. It's free, just like my thumbnail pack, which is free, and you can create thumbnails with templates like this, and even this in minutes. Again, for free. Which also helped me get over 8% click-through rate on 11 million impressions for this video. But unlike my other video, which got around 2 million impressions out of a sudden after 300 days, that didn't happen for this guy. I mean, take a look at this. Right at this spot, he uploaded a new video, which I can understand, by the way, if you look at the picture. I mean, you see the drop happening there. It's not big, but there's a drop right after he uploaded. Now, this same Todd guy with his army of developers who code the algorithm, he actually responded to him. Here's his response: YouTube isn't killing off your videos, bro. When you add a new video, it competes with your current videos for non-infinitive viewer attention. And this makes sense, right? Because at any given point in the day, there's only limited people on YouTube, as you can see in this extreme image, and even more limited people interested in your topic, and even less in your final video. So naturally, every new upload will compete with the current ones on your channel that are still blowing up for the same limited viewers, which you can see in this image. There's a drop going on because it's now spreading over multiple videos. So then, what if you currently upload every few days or so and older videos are still performing well? Should you then wait with uploading your next video? Well, sometimes the answer is actually yes, but I don't like to speculate about this and the algorithm. I mean, I've not dated a YouTube employee yet, so I can't give you insider information. But what I can give you is my free Google Sheet with over 70 free YouTube tools, all unsponsored, not affiliated, just free tools that honestly help me grow my business to over $5 million in revenue with less costs. Free link in the comments. And when you are there, comment the word trigger and I will send you what I did to blow up my older videos that you can copy before you upload your next ones. But if there's one other YouTube thing that I wish someone told me earlier, it is this. I mean, I explained why I lost a lot of views and money by not knowing it sooner in this video. Talk to you there, or in my emails that you receive when you get my free thumbnail pack or Google Sheet with free tools. Now, why do you care about my emails? Well, I write about things you won't find anywhere else. Like how I got this gift from Google. Yeah, you want that, right? Or this, where I changed my face for a Studio Ghibli version in the thumbnail and got a significantly higher click-through rate because of it. So read my emails if you like practical YouTube tips. Talk soon.